In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through making your very first crypto trade. By the end, you'll know how to set up an account, deposit money, find the right trading pair, place a buy order, sell, and withdraw funds back to your bank. I'll also explain the difference between market and limit orders and why it's important to understand both before you get started. Timestamps are down below if you'd like to skip to a specific section. The very first thing you need to do is choose a reputable centralized exchange. This is the platform where you'll send your fiat currency, trade it for crypto, and when you're ready, sell it back into cash. My recommendation is simple. Don't waste time on smaller, risky platforms. Stick with the biggest names like Binance, Bybit, OKX, Crypto.com, or Coinbase. These exchanges have proven track records, strong liquidity, and reliable fiat on-ramps and off-ramps. Which one you choose will mostly depend on your country, since each exchange has slightly different coverage and fees. So take a moment to check which one supports your local bank transfers or payment methods and compare the trading fees. Fees are important because they directly eat into your profits if you're trading often. Once you've picked an exchange and signed up, you'll need to complete KYC, Know Your Customer verification. This usually means uploading a photo of your passport or ID card and sometimes a proof of address. It may feel like a hassle, but it's required by law and it protects you from getting locked out later. The bigger exchanges make this process pretty quick. Once your account is verified, you're ready to deposit fiat currency. Head over to your wallet section and you'll see a list of currencies the exchange supports. Let's say you're in Europe, you might see EUR and USD as deposit options. If you're in the US, you'll most likely deposit USD. Click deposit, choose your method, bank transfer, credit card, or fintech app like Wise or Revolut, and transfer the amount you want to start with. Remember, you don't need thousands of dollars to start trading. You can literally start with $20 or 20 euros just to practice and get comfortable. Once your money is on the exchange, it's time to place your first trade. Go to the Trade tab and choose Spot Trading. Spot simply means you're buying or selling crypto directly, not using leverage or futures. Every exchange trading screen looks nearly identical. You'll see a price chart in the middle, the order book on one side, and the buy and sell order form on the other. The first step here is choosing the right trading pair. If you deposited euros, you'll want to trade BTC/EUR. If you deposited dollars, you'll probably use BTC/USDT, BTC/USDC, or BTC/USD, depending on what the platform offers. The trading pair tells you how much of your base currency it costs to buy 1 unit of Bitcoin. So if you see BTC/EUR at 89,500, it means 1 Bitcoin costs 89,500 euros. Of course, you don't need to buy a full Bitcoin. You can buy fractions as small as 0.0001 BTC or even less. So even if Bitcoin is worth tens of thousands, you can start small with just a few euros or dollars. Now, how do you actually buy? You'll see 2 main order types, market and limit. Let's go through both. A market order is the simplest. You enter how much money you want to spend, and the system automatically buys Bitcoin at the best available price in the market. For example, if you type in $20 and hit buy, the system goes into the order book, finds the lowest seller, and matches you instantly. The trade happens in a split second, and now you own a small fraction of Bitcoin. Market orders are fast and easy, but the downside is you don't control the exact price. You just get whatever the market is offering at that moment. A limit order gives you more control. Instead of buying at the current price, you tell the system the maximum price you're willing to pay. For example, if Bitcoin is trading at $94,000, you could set a limit order at $93,000. That order will sit in the order book and wait until the price drops. If sellers are willing to match your price, the trade happens. If not, your order stays open until you cancel it. Limit orders are perfect if you're patient and want to buy at a specific level. Here's a quick example. Let's say you want to buy $30 worth of BTC, but only if the price drops to $93,000. You enter that as your limit price, confirm the order, and now it's visible in the order book. If the market drops, your order fills automatically. If it doesn't, no problem. You just didn't buy and you can adjust or cancel anytime. Think of it as telling the exchange, I'm willing to buy, but only on my terms. Selling works in exactly the same way, just in reverse. Select Sell, enter how much Bitcoin you want to sell, and either use a market order to sell instantly or a limit order to wait for a higher price. Let's say you own $50 worth of BTC, and you'd like to sell if the price reaches $100,000. You'd set a limit sell order at that price. It won't execute right away, but if Bitcoin rallies and hits your target, the system will sell automatically, and you'll be holding stablecoins or fiat again. Once you've sold and have fiat currency or stablecoins in your wallet, you can withdraw back to your bank. Just go to your wallet, select withdraw, enter your bank details, and send the funds out. Most exchanges will process withdrawals within a day, sometimes instantly depending on your method. So to recap, the process is pick a top exchange and complete KYC, deposit fiat currency into your wallet. Go to the trading screen and select the right pair. Place either a market or a limit order to buy. Sell when you're ready, either instantly or at a target price. Withdraw back into your bank. That's it. That's your first crypto trade from start to finish. A quick tip before you go. When you're just starting out, don't worry about trying to time the market perfectly. Your first goal is simply to learn how the system works. Get comfortable navigating the trading screen, placing different types of orders, and understanding how trading pairs work. Start small, even with $10 or $20, and treat it like practice. Once you've got that down, you can start building a proper strategy. If you want to learn more, I've linked my free Signal Telegram group here on YouTube in the description. And if you want deposit and trading bonuses for the exchanges I personally use, those are linked below as well. See you in the next one.
Welcome to Nomad Money, your go-to community for smart, clear trading strategies. Whether you're just starting or experienced, we provide real-time insights and tools to help you trade smarter, not harder. Join our supportive network, learn from experts, and reduce guesswork with our proven methods. Plus, don't miss out on our free Telegram group where you get exclusive tips and live support. Trade with confidence, trade with Nomad Money.